Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're talking about unusual options activity. All right, let's kick it off here. All right, so disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There is no guarantee of profit. Almost have that memorized, saying that every video. I can probably say it without even looking at that. All right, so let's kick it off here. First one I want to bring up is AMBA. So this one had a nice day today. I brought this one up a couple times in the past, but I just want to let you guys know there's some more buying in this one, and I'm still in these calls. So if you just scroll down here, you know, these are just some block trades. These aren't sweeps. So if you just look right down there, there's 650. Someone came in and got 650 of these 4 times. Now, like I've said many times, we never know if this is the same person coming in here buying these, or if this is, you know, different people coming in at different times buying these up. But either way, these are about a month out, a little less than a month out. These are February 19th calls, and these are 135 strike. Now, these are really far out of the money. I did not buy these ones because I'm already in some calls, as you can see here. But if I were to get these ones out in February, I would definitely get it closer to the money. You know, maybe the 115, get some luck with the 115. But what I did is I'm in these January 29th calls from before. These are pretty far out of the money. We still have a loss in these ones. So that's the thing with far out of the money. You know, you have to have the stock make a move right away. Otherwise, you know, you're just going to keep losing money to time decay. As you can see here, theta, one of the Greeks, and you go down to where this position, this option contract loses $20 a day just to time decay. So, you know, these far out of the money ones, it's a low probability trade, but it's a cheap bet. So always keep that in mind. I am in these May 120 calls. I was in the May 110 calls. Sold out of those today, and then I rolled up to these May 120 calls because I saw more buying, and I just like this company in general. So yeah, that's the buying for today in that one. Let's check out the chart. This one's had a huge run. You know, this is a AI video imaging LiDAR camera company. I don't know if they're specifically in LiDAR, but it's just camera equipment and camera visioning, computer vision for autonomous machinery and vehicles too, I guess. So yeah, I brought this one probably up around 80 or 85 or 90. And yeah, this one's had a nice run, and we're sticking with this one. All right, so next one is a CFII. Now, this is a special purpose acquisition company. I did a lot of SPAC research, you know, a while ago. So I've been in these February 10 calls for a while now, and we have a nice profit in that one. You know, doing the research pays off. Doing the research, especially on these SPACs, it really pays off. You know, I got into this one when it was really cheap, and you know, nobody was really buying it. So, as you can see here, I don't know what that is. Scroll down here, and someone was actually buying the same strike that I bought a while ago. But, you know, that just is more bullish and makes me want to stay in these for longer. So, as you can see here, somebody came in and was buying at 10:28 and 37 seconds. And it looks like it continues into 10:30 here. Now, you know, we'll never know if this trade at 10:28 and this trade at 10:30 are together. I would say they probably are together. If you look at what the person paid here, they paid $230 and they paid it at the market. So they just put a market order in, give me these contracts at whatever price. They paid $230. The ask was $230. They paid $230. They bought it at the market. And then if you see at this 10:30 right here, the price they paid was $240, and at the time the bid ask was $215, $240. So again, they bought it at the ask, they bought it at market. So, you know, they could have just placed a market order here, and then the bid and the ask changed, but they had a market order, so it just buys it at the ask, and which is kind of dangerous in my opinion. I always try to buy at the midpoint. So, yeah, you know, there's a few more there, and then there's also some buying at 10:31 at 260. Once again, the ask here is 260 for these contracts. They paid 260. They bought it at the market. You know, they did a market order. So, you know, once again, we'll never know if these ones at 10:31, these ones at 10:30, and these ones at 10:28 are linked. But I think they are, and if you add all those up, That's a pretty substantial order for the SPAC. Now this SPAC is merging with View. I'm not sure when. View is the name of the company. It is a company who makes AI glass, so smart glass and stuff. So when I did my research a while ago, I saw that and thought ESG, I bought it. So yeah, I like this SPAC, and we'll see what happens, everyone. All right, thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Keep subscribing up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys got a question. I'm here to help. I'm here to tell you guys, what I do, why it works for me, and the mistakes I made. So always make sure to leave a comment down below if you got a question. Happy trading. Almost the weekend. Let's go, everyone.